When was the last time you accepted a change? Did you notice that change always has impact? Good or bad, you will know it only when you accept the change. Are you finding tough time to find a job which best suits for you? Is your job challenging? Do you see huge growth opportunities? You need to become a continuous learner to achieve success and growth. Learn something new today. Learn something new tomorrow. For those who are continuous learners, the universe will pour more and more opportunities for you. Choose the right path and at the right time, and you don't want to regret those decisions you couldn't make earlier. Success is only for those who are committed and take action. I wish you all the best for your